My name is Noam Mantel. I am Chief Product Officer at Valence, and Valence is the world's leading AI coach. We provide AI coaching to everybody in an organization. It used to be that executive coaching was available only to executives within larger organizations. The really good ones would sit down with their clients, but also interview everybody their client works with, sit in on some team meetings, understand the dynamic, and be able to provide really thoughtful feedback and really thoughtful suggestions on how to lead the team better and how to get results. Not everybody can afford that. Not every company can afford that. And those who can really afford it for maybe the top 1% of their leadership team. Valence is able to give an AI coach to absolutely everybody within an organization. This is wall to wall. The goal is to have every employee at a company be able to thrive at their job. The really fascinating problem to solve over at Valence is when you have all this context from the enterprise and how the company operates and who succeeds at the company, and you have context around a job function. And then you add to that the really robust memory capabilities of not just the individual user and being able to create a really evidence-based profile around them, but also the relationships and the interactions that they're talking about with the coach. The real complexity here from a technical perspective is when to bring those up at the right time in a way that brings the most relevant information to the user. One of the very popular questions the AI coach gets, her name is Nadia, by the way. So one of the main questions Nadia gets is, how do I have a tough conversation with my employee? Now, people who use Nadia on a regular basis, Nadia already knows the different nuances of the relationship between between the manager and the employee, and so is able to give really thoughtful responses of here's how to potentially approach this conversation, given what she already knows about the relationship. The ROI of Valence will be measured in net new capabilities that these managers have. So before, there was nobody coaching these managers on how to have tough conversations or how to lead or when to give feedback, right? How often. This is a net new capability that they're learning for themselves, and so the ROI will be measured in how they're able to grow the business because they're performing better as managers. Valence is an AI-first company, and so that applies everywhere. That means we start from a place of a prompt. So any kind of discussion that we're going to have as a team is guided by first an AI lens to it. The second, I think, most interesting thing as a product leader is that we have 100% of the company developing prototypes via vibe coding products. Literally 100% of people are expected to provide ideas. So you'll see V0 prototypes all over the place and level prototypes all over the place, instead of people writing docs of what they need and passing it over to product and expecting product to write a document. Like none of that exists. It's just, hey, this is what I was thinking. Here's how I was thinking about it in the product. Does this seem of value? Everybody kind of plays around with it, and we go from there. I think something that is really interesting that is happening is actually the side projects for some people, right? So what you're seeing is, yes, people are using AI in their jobs, and there's obviously enterprise SaaS, and that's there's a lot of value that's being generated there. And those same people are using AI to solve for their day-to-day problems. And that's been really exciting to see. You're seeing a lot of these side projects that people are building for themselves. And when that's married with craft that they already have through kind of years and years of work, that becomes really, really cool, because there was this barrier that existed before that is now completely gone, and they can launch something, even if it's just to their friends, that solves real world problems. It doesn't need to be a $1 billion business. It can be something that helps them day to day, and it's still worth it. That to me is actually maybe one of the biggest unlocks. And it'll be exciting to see how all of these, everybody's kind of at home tinkering, and how some of these converge into products that scale, and that'll be really interesting to watch.